How's it going, everybody? It's about 8:30 p.m. On January 2nd of 2023. So Happy New Year. And this rain is associated with a warm front passing over the area. It got up to 62 today. It's supposed to get up to 68 tomorrow. So very unseasonable warmth for this time of year. So I'll just film this for a few minutes and let you watch. And you can see by our little tree in our front yard that we are getting a decent amount of breeze out of this warm front. 10 to 15 mile an hour sustained winds from the southwest, which is typically what a warm front, the winds that a warm front are dealing with, they come out of the southwest. Again, this one is no different. And then following the warm front, we will have a pretty sharp cold front cut through the area tomorrow night, where we will go from mid-60s around sunset to upper 30s to around 40 by 3-4 in the morning. So not as extreme as the Winter Storm Elliott cold front, but pretty significant for this time of year. And we will have high temperatures after tomorrow in the low 40s with lows around 30, so more typical for this time of year. And that will last us for a few days throughout the weekend. So I'll film this here for about another 30 seconds or so, and then I'll let you guys go. Tad bit of thunder off to the southwest, not much though. Again, warm front rain typically isn't very convective. That's more cold front related. This is more stratus type steady rain. Alrighty, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Take care, and again, Happy New Year. Later, everybody.